If you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers? What happened to being your brother's keeper? Nowadays kids more worried about the...
So guys, welcome to this video where today I'm going to be comparing the sound on the Ipod Touch first generation and the Ipod Touch fourth generation. So I've got two Ipod Touch first generations here, both having the Wilson DAC inside of them. And I've got my old fourth generation here running the Cirrus DAC. So we're going to be comparing the sound between these devices on my Bowers&Wilkins Zeppelin here, and let me know what you guys think. So first we're going to have the Ipod Touch first generation running iOS 1.1.5. So that's the Ipod Touch first generation on 1.1.5. Let's take that off and put the Ipod Touch first generation on 3.1.3 onto the docking station. And let's hear what this one sounds like. Just focus it a bit. So that was the Ipod Touch first generation running iOS 3.1.3, and now we're going to be putting on the Ipod Touch fourth generation running 6.1.6 and the Cirrus DAC. Now, in my opinion, this one should not sound as good, but let's give it a try and see what it sounds like. That was the fourth generation running the Cirrus DAC. Now we're going to put back the one on iOS 1.1.5, the Wilson 1.1.5, and let's hear what the chorus sounds like.
And we all just sing along, try to struggle on, 'cause we need it, yeah we need it. We all just sing along, try to right the wrongs, 'cause we need it, yeah we need it. And I could've moved on fast.
So that was the iPod Touch first generation on 1.1.5. In my opinion, I thought that one sounded better than the one running 3.1.3 and also the iPod 4. Let me know what you guys think. The speaker as well, it's Bowers&Wilkins Zeppelin first series. And yeah, tell me what you guys think. Remember to leave a like on the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.